Vedantu.com.
Hello, today we are going to learn about percentage related problem. A trick how we can find any percentage of any number. Like I have uploaded a question 61% of 500. So if you can answer it is 305, then you can do it. But in case you are not able to find it, let me help you out. So first of all, I'm going to find the 100% of 500. So 100% of 500 is nothing but the 500 itself. So it's the whole total 500. Then I'm going to find 50% of 500, which is half of 100%. So it will be 250. Then I'm going to find 10% of 500. 10% of 500, it will be just one. You have to just remove the decimal place one step towards left. So you'll be left with 50. And 1% of 500. So 1% of 500, you can just divide the 500 by 100 because it's 100th part of 500. So you'll be left with 5. Now I have to find the 61%. So 61%, I can write it as, I can split into 50% plus 10% plus 1%, which will add up to 61%. So the 50% is 250. So I can write 250. 10% is 50, so I can write 50, and 1% is 5, so I can write 5. So if we add up, I'll be getting 305, so which is actually the 61% of 500. I think you got that thing. So let's try one other problem using a large number like 87% of 720. So again, first I am writing 100% of 720, which is 720 itself. 50% of 720, which is half of 720, so it's 360. 10% of 720, which is 72. I can just divide the 720 by 10. And 1% of 720, which is 7.2. Now what I need to do, I need to split the 87%. So I can split that 87% in so many ways. I can just write 87% as 80% plus 7%. This is what I'm going to do. So this 80% can be written as 50% plus 3 times 10%. This is overall 80%, and the 7% is 7 times 1%. 50% is 360. 10%, so 3 times 72, and 7 times 7.2. So 360. 3 times 72, 216, and 7.2, 50.4. So if you add them up, you will be getting 626.4.